Hiccups can strike at the most unexpected times, but why do we get them? Let's find out. Hiccups happen when your diaphragm, the muscle that helps you breathe, suddenly contracts involuntarily. This contraction causes your vocal cords to close quickly, producing that familiar hic sound. Eating too quickly, drinking carbonated beverages, or even sudden excitement can trigger these spasms. Sometimes irritation of the nerves that control the diaphragm can also lead to hiccups. Want to stop hiccups fast? Try holding your breath and counting to 10. Drinking a glass of water slowly can help reset your diaphragm. Or, if you're adventurous, a spoonful of sugar can sometimes do the trick. With these tips, you can tackle hiccups head-on and get back to your day. Curious about why glasses fog up when entering a warm room? Stay tuned for my next video, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more intriguing facts.